we'll be on the road to putting this thing on the road here. Nice. Alright, hey, what's up? Okay, today I'm going to be focusing on the gauges, getting them all mounted into the dash, and the final step before getting the truck on the road. Now that it's running, I'm going to be focusing on, getting the hood latch installed, tying everything up under the truck away from the exhaust, all the interior wiring, and some of those under the hood stuff, making the looms for the wiring under the hood, and just getting everything ready to get safetied. Still waiting for the brake drums to come in from the States. I'm kind of held up. I can't go for a test drive right now. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's get these gauges in. Alright, so we're going to be mounting the rest of the gauges here. There's a lot of wiring to clean up. Got to mount the ignition. Get everything going in here. And we'll be on the road to putting this thing on the road here. So it's looking like I'm going to take the whole panel here off and mount the gauges from the back. Just the way they're going to sit in there, it's going to be pretty difficult to reach in behind and get everything on there. So just pop out the 6 screws, take the whole panel off, and then mount these from the back here. Alright, so I'm trying to get the hood latch installed here to get the hood button down. But of course, because this hood and this rad support here are out of 2 different trucks, nothing lines up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece here and we're going to line it up where this one comes down here, connect to it properly, and then on this piece right here, where the catch is supposed to go, we're going to weld these tabs onto this piece here so that it catches it on the back. Because originally, this piece sat here and there's nothing for it to hook onto here. Also, this piece here, right now it's scratching the rad housing there, so we'll have to bend that out, maybe weld some tabs on there to hook up to that. It's all just like everything else on this truck. Nothing lines up. Trying to put 3 different trucks together, and nothing ever works out with these type of things. Line up the hood latch here. It's already clipped on to the actual latch portion there. So I'm going to work it out where the bracket has to fit with a scraper. And then once I have the location there, we'll drill some new holes and get the hood mounted properly here. Alright, so I got the new location of the strike plate sorted out right there on the rad housing here. And so the latch So the latch is going to be catching this piece here, and then I'll have to weld something onto the hood release as a safety latch to catch this piece. So that'll be on this piece here. I'll weld a hook or maybe bend something up in there so that when the hood pops, it'll have that safety latch there. Alright, so everything's looking good on there. One of my rib nuts is a little bit off, so I just have to grind that open a little bit. But hooked up really good. Everything's aligning pretty nicely. So now I'll just have to weld a piece onto here, so it'll catch on this piece here. Just a little piece coming off like that.
Alright, so that little piece of custom fabrication actually turned out pretty well. Looks like it's supposed to be a part of the truck, so I'm pretty happy about that. Works really well with the striker plate. So yeah, so I'm really happy with how both the gauges and the latch turned out. And you know, it's the next thing.